What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to say hi? I'm in the car right now with my brother Matthew, and we are currently headed to Starbucks and to the mall because we're gonna go shopping today. It's December 26th, which means it's the day after Christmas, which I'm so sad about because I'm gonna miss the holiday season so much. I know New Year's isn't over yet, but I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday, and so I'm very sad that it's over. But I figured I would vlog today because all the YouTubers who are stopping Vlogmas won't be putting up vlogs on their channel, so therefore you can watch mine. We're gonna do some shopping today because if you guys didn't see my what I got for Christmas video, I was sent gift cards by some of my relatives. I keep doing that. So we're gonna go shopping today, and I don't know the plan for the rest of the day, but we'll see how it all plays out. Dun 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 dun. Thank you. I got a Java chip frappuccino, and then everyone's food is in here. Allie just got here. Cheers. Boop. I got a cinnamon raisin bagel with my drink, and these are the best. The ones from Starbucks are so good. I'm currently in Papaya. It's a clothing store, and it's kind of like Forever 21, but not really. But they have super inexpensive clothes, and a lot of it is really high quality. So I'm trying to find something, but most of it I'm like, that would be cuter if, I don't know. I want to find something I love so badly in here, but I just can't seem to find anything.
Don't you like this? I like this.
I don't know, maybe. I'll have to try it on. They have so many hoodies that I love, but I don't need to buy any more hoodies. I already have way too many. So I might come back here, but I think they have cute jackets, but I just need basic t-shirts.
We should go to Tilly's.
Okay, let's try, we're gonna try a different store. So we're still shopping. We found some things that we like. We are, oh yeah, I should flip it up. So I think we're gonna go try them on, and we will show you guys if we like them. I'm the worst vlogger on the planet of the entire earth. Katie's not even gonna put this in, I bet you 100%. Okay, I'm sorry about this music. I know it's really loud, but I figured while I'm in here, I have a mirror, so I would do an outfit of the day. So my earrings are from Kendra Scott. Allie actually got them for me for Christmas, and this little red mark on my face is from me burning myself with my curling iron. I curled my hair for our church Christmas Eve service, and I burnt myself, so that's what that is. My necklace is from a brand called IBJC. It says choose kindness right on the side, but you can't really see it. My shirt I think is from Target or Old Navy. It's just a basic white shirt. And this plaid flannel thing that I have tied around my waist is from a brand called Aventura Clothing or Aventura, I'm not sure. My leggings are a workout brand called Shape, and then my shoes are from Nordstrom Rack. Okay, I'm out of the dressing room. The Good Vibes shirt didn't work out. It came really low on my chest. So now I'm really going to go to a different store. This is so bright. Oh my gosh. Okay, it is currently, what time is it?
I'll have the heat on.
This is gonna fall down if I don't hold it. It's currently 11:10, and we are heading home because Allie forgot her Ulta gift card. And so
I honestly want to go get some.
We need, it's fine, we have plenty of food at home. But I mean,
yes, we do.
Yeah, we did get Starbucks for breakfast. But anyway, we are gonna go to Ulta after we go home and get Allie's gift card, but he's not going because he obviously wouldn't want to sit in Ulta for like an hour and however long while we shop for beauty stuff. I'm sorry about this lighting, it's really not the best. Okay, I brightened it, there we go. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. We're probably gonna go home, eat lunch, and then we're gonna go to Ulta. We just made it to the place where Ulta is. This person is turning and they're gonna hit me if I'm not careful. Okay, but I can't even get my words right. The Kardashians are taking over the world. It doesn't end. Okay, I have my camera, oh, I thought that was somebody else. I was like, oh shoot, but it was Allie. I have my camera balanced on this little makeup thing, so hopefully it doesn't fall over, but I just finished checking out. Allie is like testing about a billion lipsticks, so I'm gonna show what I got. So I got this powder brush. It's from Tarte. It's called the Setting Superpower Powder Brush. I don't have anything else. Okay, I've been using the same Color Science. It's like an SPF powder, and I just need something better. So I got this Too Faced.
The winner is Kristen.
All right. Kristen it is. I have no idea what she's talking about.
Powder, but I don't have time to pick out a powder.
You have plenty of time.
Well,
I also,
where'd you get that for?
it's Too Faced Born This Way. I got the Too Faced Born This Way ethereal setting powder. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then the last thing I got is this drying lotion. I have heard so many good things about this. A lot of my friends have this and they use it all the time and swear by it. So I'm excited to try that out. Hopefully all the stuff settles because I think I accidentally shook it up a little bit while it was in the bag. So yeah, that is everything I got. I don't know if Allie's almost done. You have to make sure it has no flashback or else it'll be like white in photos. Say it has no flashback. Here, put a little bit on your face to take a flash photo and we can see. I put a little powder on Allie's face and the verdict is it has flashback, so that one's gonna be a no-no. And I think she's almost done. Update, it is currently 1:06. We are all finished at Ulta. Allie got the stuff she needed and we are getting smoothies. We just ordered, so we're waiting outside for them. And then we're gonna go home. I'm back home now and I'm lying in bed with this blanket around me because that smoothie made me freezing cold. If you're wondering, my pillow says relax. But I'm probably just gonna lie here and sit on my phone for the next 15 minutes and then I need to clean up my room and my bathroom. I'm gonna try and organize some things and I need to fold my laundry and I definitely need to organize this one drawer in my bathroom. Okay, I got Reba with me. I have some water. Shoot, I just fixed this. My camera is being super irritating because I knocked it on something earlier today while we were at Starbucks and I thought it was broken because the lens wouldn't close properly, and I watched this video. What the guy showed was just bending up the plastic on the lens with a tiny little tool or anything you can find that's small to fit under, and I did that and I thought it was fixed. It was opening and closing perfectly, but I need to do it again, which is fine. I just have to make sure that it gets fixed because I was like, I do not want to send this back to Canon because that would have been such a hassle. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I have my water just in case I get thirsty. Aww. I got this tumbler in my stocking for Christmas and I'm obsessed with it. It keeps my water so cold and it's the best thing. And then I have this cleaner to wipe down my like surfaces, some paper towels, and then this thing that I'm going to use to dust the shutters. I'm starting with my bed because I need to change my sheets and put these sheets in the washer. Does anyone else love the feeling of having fresh and clean sheets when you go to bed? It's just like the first night with spotless, beautiful, fresh sheets. Oh, it's the best feeling ever. I'm almost out of them, but these things are the best. They are the Method fragrance boosters, and so what you do is you just put them in with your laundry and they make everything smell so much better. Oh shoot, my battery's flashing. Okay, I need to go change the camera battery before I do anything else. It is currently 3:57. Oh my gosh, I just realized I need to change my Christmas background. This lens. Still need to finish fixing that. But what I was saying is I need to change my Christmas background. Hold on, it says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. But I need to do some sort of 2019 New Year thing or just back to whatever I had before. Anyway, the reason that it's so much later and I stopped cleaning after I put my sheets in the washer is because my camera battery died and I don't have, this lighting is killing me so I'm going back near. I don't have another camera battery for this camera because I got it like a month and a half ago, 2 months ago. And the battery for this type of camera is $50 and I just don't want to spend $50 on that unless I have to. But it's getting to the point where I do have to. But I spent the past 2 hours editing this video up until this point, so that's good. I will be able to have it up tomorrow morning. But anyway, back to the bad yellow lighting in here. I need to switch my laundry because it beeped and it was done. Like, oh, I hate this lighting so much. I need to just get over it. But I heard this go off like an hour ago, so I need to switch this and put it in the washer and then fold the laundry that's in my bedroom and then start actually physically cleaning things. yay. I seem to have fixed this dumb lens issue, thank goodness, because it was gonna be the death of me. Because it was so irritating, I had to pop it up every time I opened the camera. But I just ran downstairs and I got some trail mix, so I'm gonna eat this while I fold the laundry. And I'm not gonna talk on camera for the next little bit. It's just gonna be a montage of me cleaning. Oh, did I forget to, oh no, I don't know why that thing is beeping. It shouldn't be, maybe it just went off. Oh, I know why, because I literally didn't even start the dryer. I put stuff in the dryer and didn't start it. Okay, I need to clean. Anyway, the next little bit is gonna be a cleaning montage. I'm gonna fold my laundry, wipe down all the surfaces in my bedroom, dust the shutters, and then maybe clean the bathroom if I get to it. It's dirtier than my bedroom, so I definitely want to try and do that, but if I don't get to it, I can just do it another day.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Okay, Allie has joined me. She's down here. She's organizing underneath her sink and all that stuff. I organized my, well, most of my bathroom stuff is pretty much organized except for this one drawer, but if I organize it 5 minutes later, it's back to what it was before. So I really don't organize that drawer just in general. It's this one, and it's just like my catch-all drawer. It has this thing I use every single day when I wash my face. I put it on my head. Some makeup palettes that don't fit out in my little makeup carrier thing, and then all of my scrunchies and hair stuff, hair scarves, whatever. So I'll probably just go through it and throw out the things that aren't necessary, and there's some things in here that don't even belong here. Like these stationery things, I don't know why they're in there, and they're so cute and I really want to use them. So every break I try to...
My teeth.
What the heck? Oh my gosh, it's the creepiest thing. This is all of Allison's teeth from when she was a little tiny toddler and lost them.
Oh my gosh.
So gross. But my countertops, I just have to organize. I usually keep them organized.
Throw them away.
But right now, since I did my makeup earlier today, I just have to
children's like
clean it. I have the camera on a tripod. I'm just gonna put it right here while I clean everything. So I'm gonna clean first and then I will organize. Really quickly, because so many people are surprised when I tell them. I get so many DMs and comments of people asking what I use to edit my videos, and I use iMovie, but I have so many effects and green screens and transitions that make it look like I use Final Cut Pro or a different editing software. So what I do is I make green screens of things that go across the screen. I use green screen transitions, and also just to add, I use iMovie on a desktop. It has so many more features than iPad or iPhone version does. Cause honey, ain't nobody got $300 for Final Cut Pro, so.
Is it actually?
It's something like that, 300, 350, I don't know for sure. So one day I will switch over to Final Cut Pro, but for now, iMovie works for me, so that's what I use. Okay, I need to address this. I'm so sorry. If you're really enjoying the cleaning montage and not me talking, because I love cleaning videos, I think it's so satisfying to watch people clean, but I just have to address this. This is Jessica. You're probably extremely creeped out right now, like, please don't unsubscribe, but this is a hair doll that I got for my birthday, or with my birthday money, when I was like 9 years old. So just wanted to address that, and I really never use it, so I need to part with it at some point. So just thought I would make clear why I have a random doll head underneath my sink.
not looking back. Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde. A classic cliche, we're on the...
Excuse me? This is my grandmother's old flip phone. This vlog is becoming something that it should not be. Okay, we're gonna go through this drawer another time because obviously this is not the time. And we're just gonna focus on this one for now.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
Here is the final product of the bathroom. This is just jewelry. I have this ring and these earrings. I always wear those together. And then I took off the earrings I was wearing today, which are these gorgeous Kendra Scott earrings that Allie got me for Christmas. Here's what this drawer looks like. Here is this little cabinet on Allie's side. Here's my ring light. Ready for the transformation? Ba-doom! And voila, here's what my room looks like after being not deep cleaned, but like surface cleaned, because I didn't clean like in my closet and all that. But yeah, there we go. I'm making myself some pasta for dinner. It's just this pasta. It's brown rice pasta. It's gluten-free. I'm gonna make that when my water boils. Reba's like, for me? Yeah. Aww. Oh. It's totally steaming up the lens. Okay, people, here's the trick. You gotta get butter. And, oops, this is dangerous. You gotta put it on the pasta right after it comes out of the pot while it's still hot. The lens is gonna fog up again. But that way, your pasta is all buttery and delicious. Okay, it is currently 8:18 and I'm here with Reba and my family. We're watching football and I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog here. Thank you all so much for...
Yay!
Yay! Finally! I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys! Mwah.